how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day, noon, night, whatever time you're watching this. So guys, welcome back. And as you saw from the title, today I'm going to do first impressions. I have recently bought, I won't say a lot, but I have bought some makeup items recently and I'm really excited to try it on. So I thought, well, let's try those makeup products. You'll get a review of it as well, and you'll see me doing a makeup tutorial for, I don't know, such a long time. So without making this intro any longer, let's just jump right into it. So as of now, I haven't got any new base products like the new primer or a new foundation. So I'm just gonna stick to my absolute fave right now, which is the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. Belong to oily skin, but still it just gives you the right amount of matte finish, as well as it has a very dewy glow on your skin. Like it just feels like your skin just glows from within. Foundation in me like that. So I'm done applying all the base on my face. Now the first product I'm going to use is from K Beauty. So they have recently launched their loose powders, and I got one for I was really excited, and they had this sale also. So I thought, why not, let's try it out. I have never tried any of the K Beauty products. I actually got two products from it. One was this loose powder and one was this nail polish, which has this beautiful pink color, which I have it on my nails as well. Really pretty. And yeah, so this shade is called Rose Dust 20. So this is a very nice like nude pinky shade. And for my powder, I just really love how beautiful the packaging is. You can see it has a K written all over it. I hope you can see. And when you open it up, you have this stopper on it, and you have it with a sieve over here. The powder inside it, and you can just like it's a very thin sieve, and you can like put it on your hand and the powder will come out. So I'm going to use it to set all over my face and just to bake around my eyes just a little bit. My shade is Latte. Now I think this will suit me. I'm just gonna quickly set my face with it. A lot of powder came out, so I think I just have to dab it on really lightly. So I'm gonna take this powder and set it around under my eye. I'm gonna let the powder sit over here for a few minutes, and till then I think we're gonna go to the eyes. What I got is something for my eyebrows, which is this. So I got this from NYX. This is the Tinted Brow Mascara, and I have seen it a lot of places, like in Benefit also you have it. So I was really curious to try it out. Also this was on sale, so I had to get it. This is in the shade Black, but the packaging is brown, so I was a little confused. But when I tried it on, it was not like the darkest black out there. It was like kind of like a dark gray color, dark gray brownish color, which kind of worked with my brows. So I'm going to start with that. But before I start with the mascara, there's one more thing I got. Oily Fashion Brow Pencil. This is in the shade gray, dark gray I think. So I'm going to just fill in very lightly with this cream pencil, which is also very pigmented. Really love it, and it is so affordable as well. And then I'm gonna clean that up with the NYX brow. Take the NYX brow mascara, take it out. It's a really fine comb, and I'm going to now. You can easily go overboard with this, so you have to be really delicate, and I'm just going to brush it out. These are my final brows, and they don't look too black or they don't look too much made. I feel they look very natural and they're not going to move, so I really like it. So I really like this product. Okay, next up, my favorite product. Next up, my favorite part is doing the eyes. I feel like I have so much fun with the eyes. The next product I got, I was really excited for it. I saw this everywhere and I wanted to try it out because I felt like this was kind of a dupe. I don't want to say a dupe because it actually came much before than Huda Beauty and it just like went out of stock or they stopped making it. I don't know what it is, but talking about the L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeshadow, you get two sides of it. One, you have like a matte side and you have a shimmer side, which is very similar to the Huda Beauty, what she has right now, the melted shadows. This shade is called Sunset Fire, very nice, like a champagne glitter with like the peachy tones. But both of them, when you open it up, one side you have this very nice sponge where you can do like a very precise eye look. So this is, I'm gonna swatch it on my hands. See, these are the swatches. I think both of the shades are really beautiful, and I'm gonna apply it on the 2/3 of my eye. And I'm going to blend it. As of now, it looks kind of toned down. So I'm gonna apply a few more layers. Just gonna apply one more intense layer and see how it looks. Really close to my lash line though. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit under my eye. I'm gonna take the Sunset shade again. If you want, you can take it on a brush as well. Wipe it on with the tip of it. Just a little bit of it. Just a little. How do you think? How does it look? I think it looks really nice. I think it looks good, so I'm going to quickly do the other eye and be right back. I'm back and both of my eyes are done. I have just applied a little bit more on outer corners, a little on the lash line. I think I really like this look. It just looks so pretty and it's really easy to do. You can just like put one color and blend it with your fingers. You don't need any tools, so I feel that is quite amazing. And other than that, one demerit, it just like it sets so quickly. Like over on my hand, it's not moving, is it? It did not move, which is actually a good and a bad thing because you have to work with really quickly, because if you don't blend it really well, it would kind of set like that. One more use of it, now you have a lot of beautiful color eyeliners going on, not just the usuals like the greens and the blues, like pinks and the neon colors. So I think you can use it as an eyeliner because it will stay on long as well, and it has a little bit of glitter, which will, if you have outfit like that, I think it will look really good with it. So I think if you're looking for a budget friendly version of the Huda Beauty one, I think you can, if you can still find the stocks of it, I think you can get it because they're good investments. Yeah, this is the one. This is the new eyeliner I got. This is the L'Oreal Black, as always, clumsy. So this is the L'Oreal Super Black eyeliner, and tip of it has a really precise tip, and that tip is actually made of a sponge. So I don't know how that works. So I'm going to really concentrate and do a very thin liner and be right back. So I'm done with my eyeliner. I'm not going to try out a wing because I am really bad at it. So I don't want to look all of this up. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Next product I got is this huge ass pen. It's this huge white eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild. I don't think you can see it. It's the Color Icon Cold Eye Definer. It's in beautiful white shade. Let me swatch it to you. What it looks like. Beautiful, right? And so pigmented. And oh my god, it's such a big pencil. I think it's bigger than my face. So yeah, I think it's going to last me a huge while. And as always, I'm going to do my lower lash line with this. Other than that, I feel the white is just so bright, and I think you can see it. Can you see my eyes? Can you see the white? I think you can. So this is a very beautiful pencil. I've been wanting to get a white pencil for a really long time, because like when you do, if you want to do other color eyeliners, you can just put eyeshadow and it will stick and it will last. So yeah, got this one. Because I kind of forgot I had baked my under eyes, and maybe that's because I don't have any. So I'm going to quickly dust off my under eye mascara, because I had few right now. So I'm going to use the Volume Million Lashes by L'Oreal. I have a lot of L'Oreal products. Looking at it now, I think my new obsession is L'Oreal makeup. I don't know, it was Maybelline and now it's L'Oreal. Right? So no matter how many coats you apply, this mascara won't like do a lot of clumping to your lashes, won't happen. So that's good for that. And the next two things I got are these two sets of eyelashes. One is this and one is this. This is a more natural one. This is a more like, you know, like full out the mink one. This is both are from PAC. This one is the PAC M71, and this is the PAC 213. So I'm really confused on what I'm gonna do, because I think I can wear lashes on this look. So let's go all out. Let's try everything. So I think I decided to use the 213 lashes, which are more on the natural side. But when I put it on, I think I look amazing. I don't know. This is the first time I feel my lashes look so nice, and they look very natural as well as very false lashes. I don't know how to explain it. So with that, I think I'm going to stop my eyes and get back to our face. Now I'm going to do a little bit of bronzer around my face. I think I've gone a little too weak, so I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer, not contour, just like put some life back into my face. Okay, so for my blush, I'm going to use the NARS Mini Blush, which is in the shade Deep Throat. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty mini blush. Even though it's a mini, actually it has a lot of it. I'm going to take it on. I'm going to take it on this fluffy brush right here. And it even has a little like tiny mirror, which is like so cute. This is how it looks like. It gives a very nice like natural finish. So with my highlighter, I'm going with my all-time favorite NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette, and I love to go in this shade right over here. Really nice shade. I sometimes do mix the pinks also in this brush, my favorite fan brush, and very lightly going on thought I would do a very natural makeup look, but coming kind of like the end to it, I feel it just went bam and out there. Okay, so for my last and the most awaited product for which I had initially gone to shop is this. This is the Smashbox Always On Mini Matte Duo. This was in collaboration with Shobita Dua Lipa, which is, I feel like she's such an amazing person. So they came out with, so I would say came out that this is her shade. Actually this is the Smashbox Gulabe, which is a very pretty nudie dusty cool tone pink, and this one is actually this one is a very beautiful deep red shade which is called Bow, which was actually like Lilly Singh had this chain named after her. So I've been wanting to get this also for the very long time, and I got both of them at like 990 rupees. And I have previously also gotten the Smashbox ones, which was in a collab with Malvika Sitlani, which had both of them had beautiful nudes. So I thought I had to get this one as well. So yeah, I got this. I thought initially I would go with Gulabe because like this is the new one, but I got into my stock and I feel like Driver Seat would kind of more match with the whole makeup and the eye look. So I'm actually going to apply a Driver Seat. Again, all of the formulations are same, so I think I'll use Driver Seat because it will complement the whole look. And also I spent so much time on this look, I think I should at least match my lipstick. I'm going to quickly apply this and complete the look. apply Trichosid and a little bit of gulabi in the middle and kind of blend it together. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked the look and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know the drill. Hit on the like button and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and also press on the bell icon so that every time I post a video you get a notification. And also don't forget to comment down below if you like this video or not, if you want to see more such videos like that, and if you want to see a particular product review slash impression or a review, comment down below. I'll try to get my hands on that. And yeah, get to like follow me and like you have to do that, right? And yeah, and thank you so much for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next time real soon. Till then, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and yeah, lots of love. Bye.